Now we'll discuss about the last functions, that is navigate functions, guys. There is one more functions, that is navigate functions. Now see what are the different types of navigate functions we're having. So already we know that already we worked with the one of the function called navigate. So what is the use of this function? Navigate function is it is used to navigate from one screen to another screen. Whenever if you want to go and navigate from one screen to another screen, then in this case we know that we can go and use this navigate. Let us say there is one screen, there is an app. In the tab I'm having the multiple screens. There is screen 1 and I'm having screen 2. Let's say there are two screens is there. Now what's my requirement here is I want to navigate from screen 1 to screen 2. Now whenever if you want to navigate from screen 1 to screen 2 by clicking on one button, then go and use this function. What's that function you need to go and use in order to go and navigate from one screen to another screen is navigate function. Already we know that, already we discussed this in the previous class. And next one is, what is another one more function we are having under the navigation functions is, the next one is back. Now what is the use of this back function is, it is used to go back to the first screen, guys. Let us say you are in the third screen. Let's say I'm having one app. In the tab I'm having the multiple screens. Let us say screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, and screen 4. Let us say there are 3 screens is there. Now currently think that I'm in the screen 3. Currently suppose think that we are in the screen 3. Now I want to go back to the first screen. I want to go back to the first screen, guys. Now whenever you click on any one of the button, when I click on the button, if I want to go back to the first screen in the app, from third screen to I want to go back to which screen? First screen. So whenever if you want to go back to the first screen in the app, then in this case go and use the back button. Back button is used to go back to the first screen in the app. And next one is exit. Now what is the functionality of this exit is? What is the functionality of this exit function is? It is used to exit the app. Let us say if you are opening one app, you are doing something. Now you want to exit from the app. So whenever if you want to close the app, whenever if you want to exit the app, you can go and use the exit function. Exit is used to exit the app and navigate to the list of apps screens. What it will do means it will exit the app and then navigate to the list of apps where you can see all the list of apps. To that page it can go and navigate it. This is what the functionality of exit. And next one is exit true. Now what the functionality of this exit true is? Same function, exit function, but within that exit function I'm using one boolean function, that is what? True. So what is this exit true is? It is used to exit the app. It is also used to go and exit the app and then log out or sign out from the Power Apps case. So exit true is used for what means? It is used to exit the app. Once after exit the app, what this exit true will do means it is going to log out. It is going to sign out from the Power Apps. So completely, if you go and go with the exit true, it will exit the app and then it will log out. You are going to log out from the Power Apps. Whereas exit is for what? It is just to exit the app and then navigate to the page called list of apps. So these are the different types of navigate functions we are having and what's the functionality of it. First one is navigate, which is used to navigate from one screen to another screen. Next one is back, which is used to go back to the first screen in the app. And next one is exit. What is the functionality of this exit is? It is used to exit the app and navigate to the apps screen. And next one is exit true. It is also used to exit the app and once after exit the app, it is going to sign out the Power Apps. You are going to signing out. If you want to sign out, then go and use the exit true. If you want to exit only from the app, go and use the exit function. So these are the different types of navigate functions we're having. And now see, if you want to go and check whether the back function, exit function, and exit true, where we can go and check these functions are working or not means we are going to check this on the mobile app only, guys. Now see, these functions we are able to check in where these functions will work on the mobile app only. We are not able to check in the web. You are able to check there where? In the mobile app. So let me go and show you how to go and use these different types of navigate functions, guys. Now go to the Power Apps. Let me go to the Power Apps. Now see, already we are working with this app, A/B trainings. Now when I go to the screen 2, or let me go to the screen 3, guys. In the screen 3, I'm having the form. Now what's my requirement is I want to keep one back button here. I want to keep one back button here. It is used to go back to the previous screen. So let me go and insert one control. Let me take the control as back control. There is one control called back. Let me keep it here. Let me keep it here. Now see, on select of this button, on select of this icon. Now what I want to do, on select of this icon, I want to navigate to the previous screen. So if I want to navigate to the previous screen, which function you need to go and use? Navigate function. Navigate to which screen I want to navigate? Screen 2. Currently I'm in the screen 3. When I go and click on this back button, it need to go to the screen 2. I'm using the navigate function. I said that what is the use of this navigate function? Navigate from one screen to another screen. Now see, when I go and save the app, when I click on play, now see when I click on it, it is going back to the previous screen, guys. So navigate function is for what? Navigate from one screen to another screen. And next, now see what's the next function is back function. Now what is the use of this back function? It is used to go back to the previous, it is used to go back to the first screen in the app, guys. Let us say, mm, let me remove this or let me keep it. Let me go to the screen 3 or let me go to the screen 2 or let me go to screen 3 itself. Now what I can do here is here I am going to keep one button, guys. Let us say here I am going to keep one button. Let me add one button. Let me go and place this button here. Now for this button, I'm going to use the back function, guys. When I go and use the back function for this button, what it will go to the first screen in the app. Let us say whenever I click on this button, let me keep this button name as home screen, guys. Or let me do one thing, instead of button, let me go and add a home icon. Let me go and add the home icon. Let me go and keep this icon here. Keep this icon. Just increase some size. Fine. This is the home icon. Now see, on select of this icon, I want to navigate to home screen. What's my home screen? My home screen is welcome screen. Now see, select this icon, go to the on select property, and then let me keep it, go and use the function called back function. Back function. Now see, when I save it, publish this, publish the app. Great. Now see, when I click on this, it's not navigating to first screen. Just 1 second. Let me go to this. Save it, play it. Now see, as I said that we are not able to test this back function here, guys. I will show you where we can test it. We are able to test this back function in the mobile. I will show you how to connect it. Now see, on select of this icon, I want to navigate to where? I want to navigate to the first screen. So this is the one. And next one is exit function. Now see, I'm going to keep the exit buttons here. I'm going to add two buttons. Let me go and add one button here. Let me keep this button name as exit. Let me keep it as exit. Now see, on select of this button, what I want to do, I want to exit the app. So on select of this button, what I want to do, I want to exit it. I want to exit the app. Now one more control I'm going to take, same exit, but it is exit true. So I said that there is two functions, right? Exit and exit true. So let me go and keep here exit true. Exit true. Now see, on select of this, I want to close the app, and also I want to sign out. Whenever if you want to sign out, then go and use the exit through. Now just save it and click on publish. Now let me go and connect to my mobile. Let me connect to my mobile. Let me show you how those back function, exit and exit through functions will work. Let me connect to the my mobile. Let me check what is the ID. Let me connect. Fine. Now say I'm connecting to my mobile. Let me go and open the app now. Let me go and open the Power Apps and just refresh it. Let me go and open this A/B trainings. This is the app currently we're working. Now see, I'm clicking on the get started. Now let me go and click on the new student registration. Now see, there is back button first. Now when I go and click on this back button, it will go back to the previous position, guys. In this back icon, I'm using what? Navigate function. Now see, when I click on the back, it's going back to the previous screen. Now when I go and click on the home, here also it is navigating to home screen. This back also works as a go back to the previous screen only. And next, see, when I click on the submit button, let's say I'm entering some details here. Let me go and enter some details. I'm filling some form here. Let me select the course. Let me keep the education. Now click on submit. When I click on submit, now it is going to this screen. Not now. Now see here, guys, when I click on the exit, it will just exit the app and then go back to the apps screens. Now when I click on the exit, now see I'm trying to click on the exit. Now see it is exit the app and going back to the apps screen where we can go and see the list of apps. And there is next another one more. Get started. Let me go and click on the submit. Now see when I click on the exit true. Now I'm going to click on the exit true. Now when I click on the exit true, now it is going to exit the app and also sign out. It is used to sign out. Now see when I click on it, just 1 second. Let me check what we did there. I think on the exit true we are using only exit. Let me go and keep here true. Need to use the exit true. Now save it, publish it. Once after publish, now go to the mobile, just refresh it. Now go and open the A/B trainings. Click on get started, new student registration. Now click on submit. Now see, let me click on this tab to update. As it is telling that a new version is there. Click on the submit. Now see here, guys, when I click on this exit true, now what it is doing, it is going to sign out from the Power Apps. Now completely I'm not able to see the apps also. It is sign out. Whenever if you want to log out or sign out, go and use the exit true. Again, you need to go and use it here, what? Sign in. So again, I need to go and sign into the app now. So this is what the difference between the exit and exit true. Let me enter the password. This is what the differences between the exit and edit. Whenever if you want to exit the app, go with the exit function. If you want to sign out from the app, then go and use the exit true. This is what the difference between the exit and exit true. Now see, let me go and check this back button. When I click on this back button, it is going back to the previous screen. It is not doing nothing here. Instead of adding an icon, let me go and add one button here. Just remove it. Let me go and add one button. Keep the button here. Just rename it to back. Rename it to back. On select of this button, I'm going to use one function, that is back function. Now see, save it, publish, play. Now when I click on this back button, it is not doing nothing here. Now let me go to the mobile. Let me go to the mobile and let me check. I think this is not the one. Now click on the back button here, guys, on the top. When I click on this back, it is going back to the previous screen. So let me change it. What is the use of this back button is, it is used to go back to the previous screen. It is used to go back to the previous screen. So whenever if you want to go back to the previous screen, and in this case, go and use this back button. So these are the different types of navigate functions we're having. Guys, simple. One is navigate, which is used to navigate from one screen to another screen. Back button is used to go back to the previous screen. Exit is for, it is used to exit the app and go back to the list of app screen. And then exit through is for what? Whenever if you want to sign out or log out from the app or apps, you can go and use this exit through. So these are the different types of navigate functions we're having in the Power Apps. Fine. Let me stop here. We'll discuss from here in the next class.